Hello, we are going to see the colors. Alina, what color is your big crayon? Yellow, very good. Open the bottle. What do you have? Open. What do you have, Alina? What's that? A banana, very good. David, what color is your big crayon? Is orange or yellow? Orange. Open the bottle. Surprise, surprise. What's that? What's that? It's a cat or a fish? A fish. Hello, Olivia. What color is your big crayon?
Blue.
Blue. Open your bottle, please. Oh my God, what's that? Glasses, beautiful glasses. Can you put on your glasses, please? Oh, you are beautiful, Olivia. Very nice. Natalia, hello, good morning. What color is your big crayon? Is yellow or red? Red. Can you open the bottle, please? Yes. What's that, Natalia? What's that? Tomato, very good. And finally, Santos, what color is your big crayon? Santos, what color is your big crayon? Blue or green? Green, what's that?
Brown.
A frog, very good. Okay, thank you, children.